Hello and welcome to another video of WordPress series. So in this video we are going to talk about how you can update your WordPress to the major WordPress version, which is 5.8.2. Before we get started, a few things which you need to keep in mind is before going to update your WordPress, you need to back up your website and you have to update your themes and plugins. So let's get started. You can see on the screen, follow the following step to update your WordPress. As in this video, I am going to show you how you can update your WordPress without losing any content on your local host. So first of all, on your XAMPP software and then open the website on which you are going to update WordPress. You can see on the screen it is showing that update your WordPress current version, which is 5.7.2, updated to the latest 5.8.2. So if I click on the update WordPress, as my website is currently on a local host, so it will show the following error. So I will update it manually. For this, I have to visit wordpress.org where I will download the latest version. Uh, Now click on the Get WordPress, which is shown on the top right corner. So I drag down and you can see the option download WordPress 5.8.2. So save the WordPress file, which is a zip file. So I have to extract once it is downloaded. Okay, let's create a new folder for this, and I will rename it to how to update WordPress. Okay, that's it, and then save the file there. So WordPress is started downloading. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe it before I usually share many paid themes and plugins for newbies to get started in freelancing world. So let's wait for a few seconds, then we will move to the next part of the video, in which I will tell you how you can copy the zip files to your localhost setup and update it successfully. Okay, so WordPress is downloaded successfully. I will go to the folder and I will extract the file there. Now I will delete this zip file because I don't need it anymore. And next thing you can do is open this folder. Okay, right click and open the folder and copy all the data. Okay, for my ease, I will drag it to the main folder and then delete this empty folder as well. Okay, that's it. So next thing, you have to copy WP admin and WP include folder and then paste the in these two new folder content to our XAMPP folder in the website name where we have using the WordPress. So XAMPP hddoc and then open this folder, and that's the website where I want to update my WordPress. So paste these two files and let's wait for a few seconds. Another reminder for you guys to avoid your website to break is to back up your website data, uh, because sometimes when WordPress update their website, their version, we see a thousand of website break, and I'm sure many of you have already faced this issue, and this is quite frustrating. So to avoid this, you have to back your data, and in case if it's break, you can Uh, uh, the next step, you have to open the WP content folder and copy the latest version files, and then again go to the WordPress folder. Your website is present or you are using on localhost, then paste these files in the WP content of the already existing WordPress file. Uh, you don't have to delete or change the other files which is already present in the website. And the last step is you have to copy all these data and paste it to the main folder. Okay, now copy and replace the file in the destination. That's it. Next thing, you have to refresh your URL. So I will refresh the URL, and hurrah, we have updated version installed on our website without losing any content. So in this way, you can update WordPress without losing any content. Okay, where I can see that my WordPress is updated. Here we go. The current version is 5.8.8. In start, it was 5.7.2. Now you can also reinstall it if you have any issue with it. So that's the end of our video. You can update WordPress. If you have any question, feel free to mention in the comments below. See you next time.